Now children, we will start question 6. If the work done by body on application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. Okay, express this in the form of an equation in two variables, मतलब x में and y में. Draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and when the this one body 0 unit. Okay. Now first we will find out equation. This one is very important. हमें equation खुद बनाना है. And constant force is 5 units. Okay. ठीक है, constant force 5 units. Let the distance travelled x and work done y. हम assume करके ले रहे हैं. Work done x, okay, and the given this one work done y, and the distance travel is x unit. Okay, since the work done equal force into displacement, or you can write distance traveled, y equal work done क्या है y, force क्या है phi, okay, and the distance traveled क्या है x. तो our equation is y equal phi x, and y equal phi x. First we are taking 0. Okay, 0. So 0, phi into 0, 0, 1, so phi into phi, y equal phi x, so phi into up. Now we are taking 1.5. Okay, तो 1 5 5 75 and 75 राइट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो 7.5. Clear? Plotting the pairs 0 0 1 5 1.5 and 7.5 on the graph paper and joining the points, and we get a straight line OB. हम assume करके लिखते हैं. Then here it is a given the 2 units and 0 unit. Okay, distance traveled equal 2 units, y equal phi x. So phi into 2, 10 units, and the distance traveled 0 unit. Okay, so y equal phi x, so y equal phi and 0, so naturally 0. तो वर्क डन 2 है तो 10 आएगा, 0 है तो 0 आएगा. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द ग्राफ. ओके, ग्राफ. क्लियर? अब आएंगे ग्राफ पे. Clear children? Graph. Open your graph notebook. Okay, graph notebook. Clear? X-axis, Y-axis, prepare it. Okay, here it is a given 10. Okay, तो मैंने 11 12 लिया है. Clear? 2 units तो 2 था तो 0, 0 unit था तो 0 0, and this 0 0 0 1 है तो 5, 1.5 लिया तो what is our answer? 7.5. Clear? अब हम लेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे. Okay, first 0 0 we will write 0 0. Then here it is a given x 1 and y 5. So what we can write? 1 comma 5. Then here it is a given 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Clear? So 1.5, 1.5. ये 2 पॉइंट से इनको छोड़ो, 2 पॉइंट से जो बीच में है उनको पकड़ना है. यहाँ से किया and 7.5. Clear? So 7.5. Clear? 7.5. So now we can write here 1.5 and 7.5. 1.5 and 7.5. Clear? Clear children? Now 2 है तो कितना है 10. 2 है 2 तो 10. We can write 2 and 10. And the 0 0 0 0 already covered. Now this line can be known as OB. This line can be known as OB. Okay, and here 0 0 से टच करेंगे. Clear, children? Okay, so now we can write O and B. Clear? Anyone? Clear? Clear, children? Thank you. Now, children, we will start the 7th question. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. You may take the contribution x and y. Okay, two variables लेते हैं. Okay, तो यामिनी को हम लेंगे x और फातिमा को लेंगे y. Draw the graph of same. Okay, let the contribution of Yamini rupees x, contribution of Fatima y. We have x plus y equal 100. So we can write y equal 100 minus x. Okay, now so y equal 100 minus x 0. Okay, we are showing x equal to 0. So x minus 0, 100. X multiplied by 0, 0. 100 minus x, 100 minus 50, we are taking 50, so y is 50. Then 100 minus x, हम 100 minus करते हैं, तो we are showing 100 minus 100, 0. Clear? Same way we can copy here. 7th, okay? 7 question continue, 4th part. Clear? Now we can write. Clear? Now 0, 100, 50, 50, 100, 0. Clear? Now we can start. First x-axis 0 and the y is 100. X-axis 0. ये x-axis लेनी है and y-axis 100. We can write 0, 100. Then x-axis 50. Y-axis 50. X-axis 50. Y-axis 50. We can write 50, 50. X-axis 100. Y-axis 0. X-axis 100. Y-axis 0. So now we can join the line. Okay, line PQ or line AB, your wish, whichever line you can show. You can write equation. Equation what is given? X plus y equal 100. P Q. Clear, children? P Q. Clear, children? Thank you. Morning, student. Now we will start the 8th question. In countries like USA and Canada, the temperature is measured in the Fahrenheit. Okay, and whereas in the countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that covers Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, now F equal 9 upon 5C plus 32. Equation is given. Okay, now draw the graph of linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Okay, if the temperature is 30. Okay, if the temperature is 30, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Okay, 30. हमने अब किया 30. So here यहाँ पे देखो 30. Clear? 1 5 जा 6, 9 6 जा 54 plus 32 86. Clear? Then second okay 30. Third, if the temperature is 95, what is the temperature in Celsius? It will come 35. If the temperature is 0 degree, the temperature in Fahrenheit. If the temperature is 0 degree, what is the temperature in Celsius? Okay, अगर 0 Celsius लेते हैं तो 32 आता है. Fahrenheit 0 लेते हैं तो 17.8 आ रहा है. Clear? Then here it is a given. If there is a temperature which is numerically the same in both Celsius, if yes, then find it. So yes, from the graph we have 40 Fahrenheit है तो 40 Celsius आएगा. Okay, now we are taking here 0 to 32, and if we are taking -15, हमने अपना लिया है -15. Okay, so 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 32, तो 5. If you are taking -4, this one 10 minus 10, 1 5s are 2 5s are 10, so 9 2s are 18 plus 32, so plus 14, so 14. Clear? Now same we will draw the children. We will start the graph. Okay, so first Celsius and Fahrenheit. 30 to 86, 35 to 95. So now we can start. So now we can copy table here. Okay, and this one is a 0, 32, 15, 5, minus 10, minus 14. So now we can copy here. So you can, okay, verify the questions. Okay, now Celsius 30. Okay, Celsius 30, and here it is a given Celsius plus 30 and Fahrenheit 86. 30 and 86. So we can write 30 and 86. Clear? Then 35. 35. 35 to 95. 35 to 95. 35 and 95. Clear? Then 0. 0 to 32. 0, 32. See, each line 2, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 lines are there. Okay? So now 32. Okay? Then minus 17.8. Okay? Minus 17.8. Okay, 17.8 and 0. So we can write here 17.8. Clear? So we can write here 17.8 and 0. Then minus 40 and minus 40. Clear? Then 0, 32 already covered. Now minus 15. Minus 15. Okay, minus 15 here exactly in 10 and 20. Minus 15 and 5. 5 here. So we can write minus 15 and 5. Then minus 10. Minus 10 and minus 14. 12, 14. So here we can write minus 10 and minus 14. Okay, now we can draw the line. First हमें देखना है कि line बराबर आ रही है कि नहीं. Okay, first of all 1 2 3 4 5, 0 32 already हो गया. तो now 6 7, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we will verify कि 7 points हमारी आ गई हैं. And now we will check कि figure connect हो रहा है, dots connect हो रही हैं. First we will draw the imaginary line. Okay, and then we start the dark line. Clear? We can write any line P, Q, you can write any line, and then you write the equation on your line. Thank you. Now children, we will start exercise 4.4. Give the geometric representation of y equals 3. Y equals 3 in an equation on one variable and in two variable. This number line shows that one variable, and this x and y, this shows two variable. Clear children? This one is your one variable. Double line, left hand side minus, right hand side plus. Here y equals to 3. Okay, y equals to 3 we can write. There. Y equals to 3. Assume that x equal to 0. We are writing 1 into x. So naturally 0. The 0 plus y, and here y equals to 3. If put value 2, then also naturally 0. If we are showing 3, then also we will get the answer 3. So we can say x value 1 2 3, but y answer 3 3 3. Okay, now x is 1. Okay, sorry, x is 1. X is x and y. 1 2 3 3 3 3. Okay, x is 1, y is 3. y is 3, x is 2, y is 3, x is 3, y is 3. So now we can draw line PQ, or you can say L, whichever you want to show, you can show. And here we will write y equal 3. Clear, children? First x 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Clear? Thank you. Now children, we will start the second question of your exercise. Last, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. 2x plus 9 equals 0, so x equal to 9 उस तरफ आएगा तो minus 9 upon 2. Okay, so it will come minus 4 upon 4.5. So now we can write one variable 4.5. You can see, you can check. So now 4.5, and we will write x equal 4.5. Clear? So now equation. Clear? X equal, here it is a given, 9, x 0. Okay, so x, even we can write x equal minus 9 upon 2 plus 0y. Okay, 0y कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, 0 तो 9 upon 2 4.5. Okay, then we will 0 into 2 0 minus 9 upon 2, then we can show the 3, then also 9. Okay, so y 1 2 3, and x is minus 4.5 minus 4.5 minus 4.5 or 9 upon 2. Okay, so 9 को मैंने 2 से डिवाइड किया, 4.5 minus 4.5. Okay, so y equal 1, y equal 1, y equal 2, y equal 3. So we can show the line. Equation 2x plus 9 equals 0. Here we can show minus x. x क्या है? 4.5. y 1 minus 4.5, y 2 minus 4.5, y 3. Clear, children? So this one is your geometric representation. Okay, in one variable, and in equation we are showing. Here also we can show, and here also we can write. Thank you. Do your practice, maintain your notebooks. Thank you, children.